Alright, let's do this. This is going to be a very difficult comparison because we are talking about two of the best smartphones out there. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro. So I've been using both of these smartphones with me on a daily basis for the past month or so, and honestly it's been a very confusing time because both of these smartphones are so good. I often find myself in a state of confusion as to which smartphone to use for which scenario. Let me give you a quick example. So a couple of weeks ago I went for a Coldplay concert, and obviously I wanted to click a lot of photos and videos, a lot of good photos and videos. That's why I carried both of these smartphones, but I was really confused as to which smartphone to use because this one is very good for zoom and this one is very good for video quality. And honestly, I wish that I only had one smartphone with me. Like, I could have made a choice and just stuck to that smartphone. So after that, I thought I should make a comparison video between both of these smartphones, iPhone 15 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. My perspective as to which smartphone is better. First and the most important difference is in terms of the cameras. I'm going to be straight with you. The camera setup on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is more versatile as compared to the camera setup on the iPhone 15 Pro. Both of them have a solid primary camera, a very good ultra wide angle camera, an awesome telephoto camera. But the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra also has a periscope camera which can do incredible zoom. The zoom range on the S24 Ultra just blows the iPhone 15 Pro out of the water. It's not even close. Like, if you want to shoot a photo at 10x, 15x or even 30x, S24 Ultra is going to be the phone to go for. And even at 3x and 5x, I feel that S24 Ultra is doing a better job as compared to the iPhone 15 Pro. So in a music concert, maybe you are standing behind, you want to zoom in and click a photo. In that case, S24 Ultra is going to be your choice. And when it comes to general photography and the output that you get straight out of the camera, people do prefer photos from the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra more than the iPhone 15 Pro. And this happens a lot at events. Birthday parties, weddings, vacations, everywhere. When you try to click photos of someone else or a group photo, people generally prefer photos from the S24 Ultra and even the S23 Ultra for that matter. And I've seen this a lot in the past couple of years. So honestly speaking, photography wise, I will definitely pick the S24 Ultra over the iPhone 15 Pro. It's just a better experience with more versatile camera setup. But the story is not the same when it comes to video recording. Video recording on S24 Ultra is great, but iPhone 15 Pro is better in terms of the video output. And I think that is a thing to do with Apple controlling the hardware as well as the software on their smartphones. That gives them the ability to tune videos in a better way, and the output is just incredible. You also get way more professional features when it comes to video editing. For example, log mode. You can shoot in log mode on the iPhone 15 Pro and the output is incredible. So video recording wise, there is no question, I would definitely pick the iPhone 15 Pro over Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But with that being said, in the Android world, S24 Ultra is the king when it comes to photos and videos. I've not seen any smartphone that does photos and videos as good as the S24 Ultra does. Front camera wise, both of these smartphones are great for photos as well as videos. Alright, this is a very quick front camera video test with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro. Both of them are shooting at 4K at 30 FPS, and you guys let me know about the video quality as well as the microphone quality. I will be switching the microphone and you will see an icon as to which phone's microphone is currently being used. So let me know about both the quality in the comment section down below. I feel that both of them are very good in terms of front camera video. But anyway, you guys let me know your opinion in the comment section down below. So the bottom line over here is that for photos, I use Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and for videos, I use the iPhone 15 Pro. Now you get my confusion, right? Both of these smartphones are great in a particular aspect, and that's why I have to carry both of them. So now that we talked about the cameras, what is the next difference? Well, that would be in terms of battery life. Battery life has been way better on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I don't know why, but Apple did not improve the battery life on the iPhone 15 Pro as compared to the 14 Pro. I feel that 13 Pro was the best improvement in terms of battery life, and after that Apple has not improved the battery life, which honestly is not a good thing. They should improve battery life. They've come up with a new chipset which is supposed to be more efficient, but that is not the case in real life. And that's not the case with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. You can easily use it for 1.5 days. I'm talking for normal usage like me, using WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, clicking a couple of photos and videos here and there. For that, 1.5 days is easy on the S24 Ultra. And even charging wise, this phone will charge faster as compared to the iPhone 15 Pro. I don't know why Apple is not giving super fast charging on the iPhone 15 Pro. It takes about 1 hour for the 15 Pro to reach about 80-85%. 50% and then another hour to reach 100%. Well, that's not the case with the S24 Ultra. In about an hour or so, you can charge the smartphone completely using a fast charger. Now, which fast charger to use, that is a different topic altogether, because both of these don't come with a charger inside the box. They do support USB PD charging. This one I think supports maximum of 30-watt charging, and this one supports maximum of 45-watt charging. I might be wrong about the iPhone 15 Pro. I will confirm about it and let you know in the comment section down below. But the point is that you will have to use an external USB PD charger. I personally use a 33-watt PD charger with both these smartphones, and the charging number that I told you were with that charger. One more key difference here is with reverse wireless charging. S24 Ultra has reverse wireless charging. iPhone 15 Pro does not have reverse wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging is especially useful to charge your earbuds. Maybe you're on a plane and the battery runs out. You can quickly just place the earbuds on the backside of the smartphone and they will charge quickly. And on the other hand, S24 Ultra does not have MagSafe. MagSafe is an excellent feature on iPhone 15 Pro, especially for accessories. That feature is absent on the S24 Ultra. So that was battery life and charging. What about the next difference? Well, that would have to be in terms of the display. S24 Ultra has a higher resolution and brighter display as compared to the iPhone 15 Pro, and the difference is noticeable. I've been using both of these smartphones. They're extremely smooth, the refresh rate works really well, but the quality of the display is better on the S24 Ultra. Samsung is like the best out there in terms of display technology, and they have showcased that with the S24 Ultra. Like, the display on this smartphone is just incredibly good. But with that being said, iPhone 15 Pro is not that far behind. Even this one has an excellent display. It's just that if we compare both of these smartphones, then S24 Ultra is going to win in terms of the display. Now, underneath the display, S24 Ultra has an optical fingerprint sensor which works insanely fast. It is secure, fast, and very convenient. On the other hand, iPhone 15 Pro has Face ID, which again is convenient and fast. I feel that both of these are very good solutions for biometric authentication. I'm not going to pick a winner here. Fingerprint sensor and Face ID both are excellent. I would just point out one thing here. iPhone 15 Pro has Dynamic Island, which works really well and is extremely convenient. Say I order something from Zomato. The live tracking of my order will be available on the Dynamic Island. I don't even have to open the application. I can just see how many minutes it will take directly on the Dynamic Island, whereas that feature is not available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. You will get live notifications in the notification center, but that Dynamic Island thing is super useful. So UX wise, Apple has done a great job in terms of using that notch. Now, after this, we are going to talk about a couple of strong points with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First is Samsung DeX. You can basically convert the S24 Ultra into a proper desktop setup. Just connect the S24 Ultra to a monitor via the USB Type-C port, then attach a wireless keyboard and mouse, and now you have a proper desktop setup. It works really well. So in the scenario where you don't have a laptop or a desktop as well, you can just use your smartphone to make a desktop setup, and that I feel is a very good thing. That thing is literally absent on the iPhone 15 Pro. Another strong point with the S24 Ultra is the S Pen. S Pen is an incredible feature. Like, you basically get a stylus that goes inside the smartphone, and you can do a lot of things with the S Pen. Obviously, you can write down notes, you can draw something, and you can also use the S Pen as a remote shutter button. These are just a few examples where the S Pen is incredibly useful. There are way more features available. So I feel that here a point should be given to the S24 Ultra just because of that S Pen. Now, you might be wondering that I did not talk about performance, because I don't need to talk about performance, because both of these smartphones are incredible in terms of performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 versus A17 Pro. Both the chipsets are top of the line. They give you very good performance, and I feel that performance is overkill for 95% of the people out there. Like, I honestly don't need so much power in my smartphone. My usage is very normal. I'm going to buy these smartphones for the superior build quality, camera, display, and all these things. I'm definitely not buying these smartphones for performance. I don't think majority people are buying the S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro just for the performance. They might buy it for the camera, display, and other things. I hope you get my point here. Now, there is one more major differentiating factor between both of these smartphones, that is Android versus iOS. Now, this is a debate that is going to go on forever, so I'm not going to get into it. But I would point out one thing, that S24 Ultra has incredible AI features. I've already mentioned about the AI features in my impressions video. You can go ahead and watch that. But to briefly tell you about it, S24 Ultra actually has incredible AI features, and these features work really well. I just hope that Apple catches up soon, maybe with iOS 18, 18, we are hearing leaks and rumors that iOS 18 is going to be a very big update in terms of AI. So let's wait for that update and let's see how Apple introduces AI in their smartphone, especially generative AI. Let me just quickly check my pointers if I have missed anything. I don't think so. I've not missed anything. Just one thing, call quality. Call quality is very good on both of these smartphones. I have not noticed any network issues or call quality issues on either of these. So what's the final verdict? S24 Ultra or iPhone 15 Pro? Well, if I had to pick only one smartphone, I would definitely pick the S24 Ultra. Why? Because it's just a more fun experience to use the S24 Ultra. You will not get bored with this smartphone, but you will get very bored with the iPhone 15 Pro. And that's one of the main reasons why I would pick the S24 Ultra. As I said, both of these smartphones are very similar, very strong, very mature. So the decision honestly comes down to very small things. It depends on which operating system you prefer, what features you give more value to, and overall which company you trust more. But for me, I have both of these smartphones. I can use both of these smartphones. But if I had to only choose one, then definitely this year it's going to be S24 Ultra. I hope you get my point. Which smartphone would you guys pick? Let me know about that in the comments section down below. So anyway, that's been it. This was my comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro and S24 Ultra. Do let me know what you feel of this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.